Catherine Noailles-Grand was the mistress and later the wife of French diplomat Charles Maurice de Talleyrand Périgord, the first Prime Minister of France. From their marriage in 1802 until her death, she was Catherine Noailles-Grand de Talleyrand Périgord and Princess de Benevent. She was known for her striking Nordic beauty as well as her ingenious public comments. Catherine Noailles-Worley, who became Catherine Noailles-Grand, was born in the Danish possession of Vancouver, Tamil Nadu, to a French colonial official stationed at nearby Pondicherry. In 1777, when Grand was a beautiful young lady of 15, her family moved to Chandanagar, where she met George Francis Grand, a British civil servant of Huguenot descent stationed at Calcutta. They were wed in Calcutta in 1778, when Catherine was barely 16. The couple were separated soon after by the court on the basis of the allegations of her husband because of her brief but scandalous affair with Sir Philip Francis. Here comes history in history. Sir Philip Francis always contradicted Hastings' economic policy to earn more and more tax from Bengal. Warren Hastings one day wrote a scathing minute to a meeting wherein he alluded Sir Francis as his private, and it caused the only duel in Indian history between obviously Sir Philip Francis and Warren Hastings, which fought on 17th August 1780 at 5:30 in the early morning on an old road that separated Mr. Barwell's grounds, which is now St. Thomas School, from Belvedere, which is now the National Library, which since then has come to be known as the Duel Avenue, which runs through the campus of the Calcutta Armed Police bordering the Calcutta Zoological Park. At the end of the Duel Street also stands another venerable institution of modern India, the Alipur Observatory, which was founded 1877 and is the first observatory in India to record weather phenomenon using contemporary scientific methodology. On the count of the three, both the men fired. Francis missed his mark, but Hastings found his and wounded Sir Francis. Much could have changed in the history of India had either of the two duelists had died that day. Hastings went on to remain Governor General for 5 more years after the duel till 1785, completing the total term as Governor General of 12 years when Madame Grand already removed to London. By 1783, when Vigée Lebrun painted Catherine Grand's portrait in Paris, Catherine Grand had become a courtesan there. She returned to Britain just before the French Revolution in 1789. However, the strains of the duel remained, and upon return to England in 1785, Warren Hastings was impeached in the House of Commons, spurred by Edmund Burke on the instigation of Sir Philip Francis, and it took 7 long years of a trial, and Warren Hastings was at last acquitted in 1795. In 1794, Madame Grand returned to France and there attracted the attention of a French diplomat, Charles Maurice de Talleyrand, with whom she lived as mistress until 1802, when Napoleon Bonaparte pressed Talleyrand to marry her. After marriage, the two gradually drifted apart. Madame Talleyrand began living alone, her husband eventually giving her enough money to live luxuriously in London. In the last few years of her life, the Princess de Benevent returned to Paris. She died there on December 10, 1834, and her body was buried in Montparnasse Cemetery.